Hello students. Here I will be making a brief video about the unit number 2, which is the kinematics. Okay, kinematics. Everything I'm not going to include here, but the basic things about kinematics that only we will be going to discuss. Okay, kinematics, as the name suggests, it is related with the motion. All right. When we talk of a motion, what are the variables which can involve? Like when a body is in motion, what are the variables? The variables it involve variable means the one which changes. The things which include is like the velocity changes, right? Then when the body is in motion, the time it changes, right? Sometimes the speed will change and the distance will change, right? So basically the variables which are involved are velocity, time, displacement. Okay, everything I'm writing in the form of vectors, so I'm choosing displacement, I'm choosing velocity. Okay, and sometimes the velocity changes, most of the time it changes, and that is acceleration, right? Then see, there are minor differences between velocity and speed. There are minor differences between displacement and distance, right? Like you see that velocity, okay, velocity actually how fast the body it moves, right? The faster the body moves, higher the velocity. The slower the body moves, lower the velocity. Like, but whenever we talk of a velocity, it is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity, and velocity is speed plus direction. Okay, so speed, whenever we talk of speed, is just the magnitude, like 50 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour, 70 kilometer per hour. These are what speed. But when I say 50 kilometer per hour towards the east, means what? I have specified the direction. All right. So for the complete description of the motion, sometimes means along with the speed, direction is also needed. So we choose velocity, means it gives a complete description. Similarly, we have displacement, right? These are the lengths, okay? These are the lengths of the path, right? And this is also a vector quantity, and this is what? It is distance plus direction, okay? Distance, you understand, like we have gone 2 kilometer far, okay? We have gone 3 kilometer far, we have gone 4 kilometer far more. So these are what? These are distance. But when I say 2 kilometer towards east, means what? Direction is involved. So that will be what? Displacement. So there is minor differences between distance, displacement, velocity, speed. But one thing you need to keep in your mind, that whenever we talk of velocity, direction aspect is involved. Whenever we talk of displacement, the direction aspect is involved. Now coming about the time. For the time, no direction is involved. Okay. Whenever we so time is a scalar quantity. All right. So quantities, we are having two quantities, scalar quantity and vector quantity. All right. Okay. Then with this, all right, there is some famous relations like v equal to u plus at, more s equal to ut plus half at square, more. Then another is v square equal to u square plus 2as. These are the famous relationship between the four variables, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, t is the time. Okay, means what this relation says, I take an example. Okay, example ahian kan inanitsuan hemi expression ahian mo inge final velocity v kha final ania, u kha initial ania, a kha acceleration ania, t kha time ani. Acceleration omze chu enge velocity kha athak ani a hunzir khan tiru. Chuan example a khan pakhat kan la ang. Let me say hi truck ani ta ni. Mi zo tong in tle men kan sayang. Shet thiam nan. Hemi truck hi observer initial reading a khan hemi truck hian a speed kha 2 kilometer per hour ani. Tlem lutuk ani. Chuan after 1 hour observation kha till 1 hour ani chu. After 1 hour a khan en kha chuan hemi truck hian a speed chu engem 10 kilometer per hour ani ta ni. 1 hour chung khan observation kha siam ani. Ani le hemi truck hian accelerate hemi hun chung hian acceleration aneyem kan ti chuan anei ani engwangin nge a velocity kha athak ta ni tiru a magnitude wise ringot kan en ani chuan heta hemi hun chunga hian kan en chuan a initial kha 2 tina nia a final kha v tina ni chuanin a time kha inzange ni t ani ta ni tiru chuan a acceleration kha inzange aniang kan ti chuan acceleration kha inzange aniang kan ti chuan a chu kan zong thei ani khoi zong nge arem chang kha kan enang arem chang kha kan enang heta hen kan en chuan v equal to u plus at ani ta v kha kan hria a u kan hria a t kan hria a unit te point ang hour kilometer tiru omzia chu acceleration kha all sam takin kan zong thei ani omzia chu hemi relation tang hian body motion a oma engamani variables kan hria a pakhat zok ero pani zok kan hrilo chuan atul dan zer kan mang chuan kan zong thei ani tina ni chu heta kan en chuan v equal to u plus enge ni at anita chuan enge ni 10 kan da nga 2 kan da anga plus a time kha 1 ani tiru omzia chu acceleration chu inzange 10 minus 2 equal to a anita acceleration 2 enge ni 8 kilometer per hour square a unit value chu in en thei ani khate kha atang kai na ni tuna hian ani le hemi hun chunga hian a body hian enge distance inzange akal pel kan ti chuan darkar kha chunga hian a distance kal dan chu khoi changin nge kan zong thei v square equal to u square plus 2as changpan kan zong thei achan chu a final kha 10 ania initial kha 2 ani ta tiru acceleration kan zong towa kan hritawa s kan zong thei ani kha atang kai na ni chu atul dan zer khan kha in man thiamangai ani all right so these equations are the means for finding out the unknown from the known variables okay so hemi lo enge approve te kha inzeranga class 9 na khan proof nen ainang che ani engma ainang lo na lo kha inzir tura ka ngai me ani chuan pakhata omle chu hemi pathuma tangin engkim kha kan zong thei ani mase hemi formula hi uniform acceleration tur chau khana valid ani kha kan assumption ani example a khan hemi truck situation hi kan la le ani chuan hemi truck hi enge hun 1 hour chung hian enge acceleration 18 akal reng tina ani mialo mase a average zong in kan lak chuan average acceleration chu 8 kilometers per hour ani chu shritia mem kha tina ni chu 8 hisabin accelerator charani tina ni okay all right so this is the meaning of it okay this is 10 this is 10 this is 2 then acceleration this is 10 okay 1 hour it goes over there. All right, 8. Every time its speed was increased by the factor of 8. All right. Now, was the acceleration the same all the time in every minute? No, but on the average, the acceleration is this one. It means that. Okay. Then there is one more relationship. What is that? That, what to say? S nth, okay, S nth is equal to U plus 2n minus 1 a by 2. The derivation of it, all you need to learn. Okay, this is hemi chu kami second chunga hian akal zat kha omze chu heta hian hemi example hemi takhi kan en chuan enge one a distance kalzat kami t chunga hian te nani omze chu 3 second example akan la 3 second chung hian inzange distance akalang te nani chu ma rithia mem 3 second chung hian body hian distance inzange kalang ma se hemi hi kan hemi a hian ti chu third second te nani chu rithia mem. Alright, example a hian tuna in class 11 ani tani 11 ti chu 11 year ti nani leinem class 11th ti chu nge 1 year chu wani anem khami kha in thiam anga yani. Okay,